The first thing I thought of was, oh my God, he's not even resting. I'd be taking a nap. I'd be taking a nap, Donald.
Well, sometimes you'd like to, I'll tell you. But, you really have no choice today. I have a very busy schedule, and one of the things is calling you. I promised I'd call you, and you've been great, and I really appreciate it, by the way. I really do. But, it's a pretty hectic thing, but the end result is we can make America great again. My theme is Make America Great Again. Whoops, I don't know if that's you or me. Make America Great Again. And it's going to be great, Joe.